Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging, and I was contacted by Frank from SanerDirect Store, and he asked me if I wanted to show something, and I said yes. Now, I have worked with him before several times, and I love this company. They have got all kinds of stuff. They have got diamond paintings. They have got diamond painting off the canvas products. They have got home decor. They have got outdoor stuff. They have got all kinds of stuff. So what he asked me to show everyone is a DIY diamond painting coaster set. Now, these are so super cute. I have not looked at I haven't opened this. I did open the Prime package, but I didn't open this. So, comes in this little box, which is cute. I'm going to bring y'all down some. I didn't realize I had the thing up so far. So, on the box, it has the little picture. And then on the back, it just has your step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint. DIY diamond painting, creative DIY. Alright, here's the drills, which we will look at here in a second. It comes with your toolkit, which is your pen, your tray, a few baggies, and some wax. That's all you need to do your kit. And it also comes with your cork. Comes with 3 squares. And then the rest are going to be the round. There should be 9 pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have all your cork pieces, which you will take this plastic piece off and it will glue to the bottom of your coaster when you're finished. And then this piece will keep it from scratching the surface of your table or whatever, you set it on. So it does come with a metal holder that you will put these in once you complete them. And then, like I said, this is a 9-piece set. They are acrylic. So we have this one. Let me just move all this out of the way. We have this one. So these are kind of like mandalas. We have a butterfly. Hope y'all can see these. My lighting's not real well. We're having some showers today. We've got a hummingbird. We have another round mandala. We have another butterfly. And then we have a sea turtle. This one is the square. And then it looks like a whale. And then a starfish, or not a starfish, a seahorse. So we have 9 pieces total, which I think is pretty cool. You've got round, and you've got the square, and then you've got a couple of shaped ones. So, it's pretty neat. I don't know if y'all can see those very well. Let me scoot towards the light. Let's see. And then, like I said, you've got all your cork. And then, let's look at the drills. which they're all going to be crystals. I got one loose here. So it looks like there's going to be 21 colors. So you've got like a gold. Let's see. I think there's 21. Well, we'll find out. So we've got silver. We've got some reds and pinks. There's a gold. Got some different greens and blues. Very pretty. There's some black. Like some champagne looking color. Big old bag of blue. And then, yep, there's green. But there's 21 colors. So, very pretty. It's going to be really pretty once it's done. So have y'all done this one? What do y'all think about this one? I think it's going to be very pretty. Y'all, I can never do this. I don't know how Diane does this. I really don't. Ooh, maybe I can on this one. Ooh, look at me go. Maybe. Am I going to be able to do it? Am I going to be able to do it? Why, heck no, I've already messed up. Really? Okay, maybe. You know what? I don't care as long as I can get back in the bag. I think I can. I can get back in the bag. Okay. Very pretty crystals. I don't know. Some call them crystals. Some call them rhinestones. But what do y'all think? Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite one? I kind of like this one. I like the turtle. But yeah, so on the website, I will leave a link to these. They are on Amazon, and I will leave a link to them in the description box. They are $14.99. You get 9 coasters. Comes with the metal holder. Everything you need to do this is all in the box. And right now, as of me recording this, there was a 5% off little coupon on there. I didn't even look to see how sticky it was. Very sticky. And it's really clear. Very clear. But they're really cute. Very cute. So, and I love doing the coasters. I've got a ton of coasters. And, you know, it's fun to switch them up. It really is. And these are just a fun little project in between big projects. Or, you know, like if you're going out of town or if you're going on a vacation, this is something small that you can just throw in your suitcase and, you know, take with you. Or, you know, like me, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, when I went to the hospital, I didn't know that I was going to end up being in there for 5 days. And I called my daughter and I had her make me up a small little, you know, suitcase, or not a suitcase, but a bag with, you know, some clothes in it. And I told her I had this small little diamond painting that I had been working on before I had gone in. And I told her to grab everything that went with it and take it. Honestly, I didn't ever even take it out of the bag because I was having so many issues, but it was there. If I had wanted to work on it, it was there. So, but this would be something cute to take with you on a road trip or something. So, and even if you just wanted to spend the day at the park and, take your kids, let them play on the playground, you could be doing this or whatever, So yeah. So for $14.99, not a bad price. Plus you get a 5% little coupon on there. Not bad at all. So I want to say thank you to Frank for sending this to me. And yeah, I mean, y'all go check out SanerDirect Store and, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this. Let me know if y'all have done this one. And until my next video, I hope you are all doing well. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.